Guys, so welcome once again to another video for today. Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you guys two best websites that can help you to get money online. You'll be getting your money in dollars. If you want dollars, it doesn't matter your location, it doesn't matter where you are. If you're in Ghana here, as I am in Nigeria, South Africa, any African country, these two websites is going to pay you in dollars. So if you decide to work in this platform, you are going to earn money. Okay, so these two websites, the first one that I will talk about is teachable.com. So as the name implies, teachable.com. This is a platform where people go there to learn skills. Okay, so if you are someone who have some skills in doing something, if you know how to do dreadlocks, if you know how to shave, if you know how to design things, a lot of things, if you have any skills that you can create a course out of it, you can go to this platform, just sign up. They have 14 days free trial, so you can create your account and start uploading your courses there for 14 days. And if you are lucky and somebody buys your course, then you're good to go. Okay, so you'll be able to earn money before you can join the premium version of the site. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to teachable.com, create your account, create your school, create your course. If you have a skill in doing dreadlocks or whatever, or ways or whatever, ways, bees making, designing, fashion designing, anything that you know or you can do, and then you can teach people step by step. Just take a camera, record yourself, just go there, upload the video there, just check the competition there, look at the prices that people are putting on the same course that you are going to sell. Just price and make your price moderate so that you'll be able to get more people to buy your course, and through that you'll be getting money every day. You'll be getting money. So one of the best platform that you can sell your skills to make more money is through the teachable.com. Then the second platform is well known to everyone. If you are into creating content, if you're a content creator and you are into social media, most people know this platform. This platform is called the Fiverr. Okay, so if you don't have Fiverr account, just go to fiverr.com, or Android, just go to Play Store and then you search for fiverr.com. You get this app there. Just create your account. Then what this platform do is that this platform is made for writers, those who want to write article, report, write a video script, write phone script, and so on. Those who want to make videos for others, those who want to optimize website. This is best thing for you. Fashion designers, graphic designers, this is the best platform that you can get a lot of money from, because all you have to do is that just create your account and then you describe the thing that you can do and do it better. So let's say if you're a graphic designer, you can decide to create thumbnails, video thumbnails for various content creators on YouTube, and then you'll be getting more money from this platform. So these are the two platforms that can help you to make money